Let's start by asking, what is spatial computing? Spatial computing is a technology that breaks the digital world out of flat screens and integrates it seamlessly into the physical 3D space around you. Instead of looking at a computer monitor or a smartphone, your physical environment becomes the computer interface. In a spatial computing environment, digital objects, like screens, 3D models, or interactive buttons, coexist with the real world. The system uses sensors and cameras to understand your physical surroundings. This allows digital objects to interact with real-world surfaces and stay anchored in place, just like physical objects. Now let's take a closer look at how it works. Spatial computing relies on a blend of hardware, like headsets or smart glasses, and software to map the world. Environment mapping. Devices use depth sensors and cameras to map the geometry of your room, understanding where floors, walls, and furniture are located. Natural inputs. Instead of a mouse and keyboard, you interact using your eyes for eye tracking, your hands for gestures, and your voice. Spatial audio. Sound is programmed to come from the exact physical location of a digital object, tricking your brain into feeling it is truly present in the room. Now let's explore some fascinating real-world examples. 1. Virtual workspaces and productivity. Imagine putting on a headset like the Apple Vision Pro or MetaQuest and seeing 3 massive computer monitors hovering above your physical desk. You can grab a digital web browser, pin it to the real wall next to your window, and walk to the kitchen. When you return, that digital screen will still be anchored to the wall exactly where you left it. 2. Healthcare and surgery. A surgeon wearing a spatial computing headset can view a 3D hologram of a patient's MRI or CT scans overlaid directly onto the patient's body in real time. This allows the surgeon to essentially see inside the patient, helping them navigate complex procedures with pinpoint accuracy without constantly looking away at a 2D monitor. 3. Architecture and industrial design. Instead of reviewing a flat blueprint or a 3D model on a screen, an architect can use spatial computing to project a life-sized, holographic model of a new building onto an empty lot. Clients can physically walk through the digital building, checking sightlines and room proportions before any construction begins. Engineers also use this to overlay digital schematics onto physical engines to see exactly which part needs replacing. 4. Everyday augmented reality, or AR. While dedicated headsets offer the most immersive experience, you likely already use basic spatial computing on your phone. Gaming. Pokemon Go places digital creatures in your actual backyard using your camera's spatial awareness. Navigation. Google Maps. Live View uses your phone's camera to understand exactly where you are standing and overlays massive digital directional arrows onto the real physical streets in front of you. Retail. The IKEA app allows you to select a digital 3D model of a couch and place it into your real living room to see if it fits before you buy it. For software-related courses online training, please contact VLR Venkat, +91 9059 86766.